Get into the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.